Hey babe, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Shaianatalia, and I want to share with you a cute protective style for natural hair. It's the summertime, and if you're like me, you're always looking for a new way to style your natural hair so that you don't have to keep waking up with tangles. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm gonna let some of my music play while I style my hair. This video is pretty self-explanatory, but if you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to answer everything in the comments. All right, enjoy.
Yeah, it's the one and motherfucking only, lonely.
I'm the coolest, never tripping.
I'm never tripping.
Yeah, spoiled brat, yeah. London tipping. Say you love me, I don't miss him. I'm outside all summer with my best friend. I'm outside all summer with my bestie. In Miami, shaking ass on a jet ski. I can turn you up, little baby, if you let me. Rolex, Cartier, protect me and protect me. I'm a moody bitch, baby, please do not upset me. I'm on a yacht, yeah, walking in Giuseppe's. Straight off the runway, no, you cannot get these. This ain't no fashion over, baby, this is Fendi. He fucking with a pricey bitch, I got him spending. We putting belts to ass, my bitch is wearing crop tees. He wanna take a drink of me, he know my body tea. He know that I'm the one, I never been the 2 or 3. Although I shoot like 23, I keep a 223. I meditate and smoke my blunt just to keep the peace. I think about you whenever I be riding through the east. I think about that one time when I flew out to the A. I miss my flight on purpose just to stay another day. I miss my flight on purpose just to stay another week. I swear that shit so crazy, me and you, we don't speak. I'm the coolest, never tripping. Yeah, spoiled brat, yeah. London tipping. Say you love me, I don't miss him. Yeah, I'm outside all summer with my best friend.
I'm outside with my bestie. He sent the Uber black and pulled up in a Tesla. Thought I was Cuban like the neck piece. Don't know why they be tryna test me. Like I won't call her bestie, and you know she gon' check these hoes. Whoa, you know how that shit go. If he ain't talking dollars, then he gotta hit the dough. I'ma bust some bands when I hit the rodeo. 20K just at Chanelly, baby, that's a 4 for 4. Yeah, cause that's my bestie. Been locked in since the Abercrombie. Gotta watch out, cause you know that they be plotting. Did you see what I just seen? Me and bestie clotting.
I'm the coolest, never tripping. Yeah, spoiled brat, yeah. London tipping. Say you love me, I don't miss him. I'm outside all summer with my best friend.
Yeah, you know how we coming. Richie and Lonely Girl popping our shit all motherfucking year long, all lifelong, bitch. It ain't no end to this trend. Let's not do that.
Keep me around. Boy, I don't want no drama. I got to move on in life.
Yeah, he like Shaianatalia. I'm high and I need you. I'm drunk taking shots of tequila. Yeah, I hate it when you act like a diva. Cover girls in the fall, he know I'm a teaser. Mother to these bitches like I'm Tina. Party girl, fly me to Ibiza. Murder, she wrote. Somebody call the cleaner. Yeah, he know I'm a neat freak and ain't nobody need her. And that is why he need her. He a dirty boy, yeah, a real geezer.
All right, my loves, and that concludes the tutorial. If you try this style, tag me and I will see y'all next time. Bye.
I keep him in